have the green light to ride. Not tricks, that's actually next week, specifically 3 miles. I have to concentrate on having a better posture when I push. I found myself being really lazy when I ride because you don't think about it until you get hurt. How much have I healed? Don't know until I get a new scan, but I do feel a lot better. And pushing feels completely pain-free, which is awesome because it's been hurting for months. And loving the new bars. Put these Reaper V3 oil slicks on. Let's give you a quick look before we get on it. Look at that. I used to ride these bars years back when I rode New York City a lot and was thinking about it, missed them, and these are probably the coolest looking bars there are in the world. And man, they feel so good. Threw them on the SES, nice and solid. Right, 1 mile down, 2 more to go. As we're in the middle of the second mile, a lot of progress, a lot of slow progress, but a lot of progress. The thing about the back, there's very little blood flow, so the heal time is, it sucks compared to anything else. Blown out my knee, I broke my ankle 3 times, and every single injury that I've had in the past heals way faster. I was also younger, but the back is just, it sucks. So I feel progress. If I really concentrate, I know I was better than I was last week, and that's how I've been feeling every single week, which is good. It's just, I'm not there yet, and that's kind of the thing that frustrates me sometimes, but I have to pay attention and know that, oh yeah, well, I'm not there yet, but at least I'm better than I was last week, and to be better in that week timeline is something I have to pay attention to and be patient, because I need to be patient for you guys. I need to come back 100%, and if anything's going to jeopardize that, then it's not good. So even though it's been a while since I've done hard tricks, I think it's almost 5 weeks now, at least this is happening. Keep my sanity in line. But we're at 1.25 miles, and I told my therapist today that I wanted to push 5 miles. She goes, do 3. Not doing 5. No point pushing. We'll push once I'm 100%. We'll go crazy when I'm 100%. But for now, we're just cruising with these fresh bars. Just a little walk. Actually, no, walking is cheating. Let me go back. Fresh bars, Reaper V3s. If you guys want a pair, link in the description. These bars are so sick, so solid. I miss and forget what they feel like because it's been a while. But the oil slick is a legendary colorway. You guys know Ride NYC 10, the thumbnail that I have with the helicopter. This is from that. So this is kind of the reason why I got them on. I just threw them on, ran the SES, the Omen SES, and geez, look at this. The thing is shining right now. Grab a pair, link in the description. I'll probably be giving away another pair of these, not oil slick, but black. Stay tuned for that on my Instagram and obviously here on YouTube. Nice fat uphill. Let's do this. Little break. You reached mile 2. So when you're warm, you always feel good, but no pain. Got progress. We got 1 more mile to go. Three miles on the dot. 3 miles done and completely pain-free for the first time in a long time. I felt awesome. I feel stiff, tight a little bit, but this is different. I feel tight in like my sides, like not even my spine at all. My spine is chilling. For the first time in a long time. So this, as long as I feel that, I know there's progress. We're getting somewhere. And I probably have another mile home, so I could ride it, no problem, but I'm just gonna walk it off and figure this out. As of now, we're clearly pushing around, and next week, I'm supposed to bring my scooter with me into physical therapy to start to do tricks. I know I could do tricks, I just didn't because I've been doing that for 6 months and not listening to my body. So now, I wanna do it the right way. I wanna do it under supervision, so I don't make the wrong move, and I'm basically retraining my back to do tricks again. And I know how to do everything. If I wanted to jump on this and do a finger whip, I know I could. Would it hurt? Maybe. It's kind of why I want to take things gradually and not go backwards, because when I go backwards, then I lose my mind. So no more backwards, unless we're riding fakie. But the plan is next week, scooter, tricks, and I'll keep you updated with what I can do exactly. I've been testing a little bit in the garage with some mega spins and some hang tens, but it's not really anything to really test it. So we'll see next week, hopefully to do more jumps and without pain. Looking forward to it. Thanks for tuning into this 3-mile ride. I know it's not anything amazing compared to what we've done on the channel, but this is a challenge that I'm going through right now, and I am doing everything in my power to beat it. Appreciate everybody that's supporting me right now on the lows. Everybody supports me on the highs, but this is a low moment for me right now, being injured, not being able to be my 100% self. So anybody supporting me right now, this means a lot. This goes even further than when I'm at my best. So thank you so much. If you have any questions about anything, or if you're going through something and you need some advice and support, we're all here for you in the comments. I'm there, and if anybody else wants to be there for anybody else in the comments, let's start it up down there, help each other out. No matter what we're going through, it's going to be a challenge, and we'll figure it out together. Appreciate it. See you next week.